Okay, so this is to put my foldable glasses, right? And just a second. And what I can do is I can use this needle or this device, which basically how it works is I can pinch a hole, pinching a hole to the other side, then I'm putting the thread onto this little grabber like this, and then I'm pushing it, and then I'm taking it back, and then after I do this with using this little grabber here like this, then I'm creating a loop in a sense of this way, and then I need to do it again and again and again, and I'm creating additional loops. And after I have all of those loops, I'm taking another thread. I need to then pull the thread inside those loops, and then after this I just need to tighten it up. So I need to just after this pulling it like this, and then I make it tighter. So this work for heavy duty, because my Singer sewing machine is not tough enough to handle this kind of heavy duty thing. And what I'm trying to do is basically to put on it, wait a second, and what I'm trying to do to put on this thing, why it just always moves, okay, to put on this one that I created. As you can see, this is a leather belt, but I created 2 layers, so I've used Gorilla Glue and Super Glue to put it in this way. And now, so this is 2 layers, and the end of it is only 1 layer, which is enough. And then what I want to do is to attach here, this is here, and this is on the bottom. Now the main force, because I wanted to be able to put it on my belt as a little case for stuff. This is 2 layers, so it's gonna hold much better on the belt, and it will be very sturdy. And here is just to close the loop, so it doesn't need to be double layer anymore. Now this ain't gonna, even this one now ain't gonna cut it, because this is hard case, and this is 2 layer of leather, so no chance that I'm going to be able to do this in this way. So my only chance is to use this thing basically. So I'm gonna put it here. Very careful. and make a hole. Now I need to continue to the other holes without moving it because I needed the alignment will be perfect. And that's it. As you can see, this is done. I have also here holes that cannot be seen in this way, but from the other side maybe a little bit better. Yeah, here it's more visible. And now, to get rid of all of the... Okay, so when you use this thing or a needle, you doesn't break the material. You're just creating a very small gap in between the molecules or the material, and then you push through. But the material it in a way is intact. In this way, I chew a little bit of the material over because I had to make a wider hole in order to be able to walk this through easy, as you can see. Otherwise, no chance. So, what left for me to do is to use this in here, and also I'm gonna put here so this is the heavy duty rope that gonna hold it very firmly, but I also want to use additional glue just for in case. So it's gonna be glue and this tether, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then this case I will be able to place it onto the belt with ease. So if I'm gonna picture myself, so the idea is to be able to put it here, but it's going to be like this and like this. So this is also a little bit of process that I still need to do ahead of, but this is just a little bit of demonstration, and I will show you the end result. So on the second part of this video you will see the rest. So bye bye.